Welcome back to the AI-102 exam-style Q&A series. Here's question 9. You are using Azure OpenAI to build a chatbot that solves complex logic problems. To improve accuracy, you break each problem into a sequence of simpler, step-by-step requests. The question is, which prompt engineering approach should you use? Option A, chain of thought. Option B, few-shot learning. Option C, grounding. Option D, system message. The correct answer is chain of thought. Chain of thought prompting encourages the model to reason step by step, making it ideal for complex logic and reasoning tasks. Few-shot learning is incorrect because it teaches patterns using examples, not reasoning steps. Grounding is incorrect because it provides external facts, not logical structure. And system messages are incorrect because they control behavior, not step-by-step reasoning. Exam tip: if a problem is solved by breaking it into steps, the correct answer is chain of thought. If you found this question helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more AI-102 exam-style Q&A sessions. See you in the next question.